It's a new day here on Project Rust Heap, and I've got a little bit of time to spend it today, not a lot, so I just need to kind of prioritise what I need to do. The panel's still on, which is good. That's not full enough since I've not been here, so yeah. I think the first thing's going to be to finish cutting this in, cut that in through there, get a few little tacks on the bottom, and then I think I'm going to leave that where that is. It's only tacked in, but time is of the essence, and I need to try and get as much structural nonsense on this car as I can before it gets moved. So the rest of the welding on that can be finished at a later date. I'll get it tacked, I'll get it spray painted, just to kind of give it some protection, and that can stay for another day. So, first up on the agenda today, finish cutting this. It's out. Shows how bad even the surface rust was. Look, it's just collapsing under its own weight. But there we go. That's out. We now have a nice, pretty even line along here. So let's get some clamps on that. Once I've ground a bit of the paint over this side. Well, welding practice was interesting. So once again, I think we're just going to have to go straight onto the main thing and hope for the best. These clamps are awesome, by the way. I need to get some more of these. Before I irreparably warp this panel and screw it up completely, let's just have a look at this. Nice flush little line here. Isn't that beautiful? Push it up. I suppose this is what grinders were made for if all goes wrong. That's alright, I cocked this one up, but the rest seem to be spotting on alright, and we're getting good penetration through the other side. So, yeah, let's carry on. First round of tacking done, and I've got to be honest, I am very pleased with that. The only thing that's gone slightly wrong is, see these two I've marked here, and it's the same ones on the other side. On both sides, the panel isn't flush anymore. The new bit is sitting about 1 millimeter too far back. So I'm going to try and cut these ones out and hold the panel and see if I can hold it. All I can guess is there's a slight curve on this panel, and where I was clamping it, I don't know. But it's the same on both sides, so either coincidence or something. But I'll try and get these ones out and do them again. But otherwise, I have one that blew through there. The rest seem all right. We're getting pretty good penetration through the other side. So yeah, crack on. There we go. Small problem, now fixed. Basically, cut out these two spot welds just for over the bit there the panel wasn't sitting flush, bent the panel with my thumbs and then put a new little tack in the middle, and that is now lovely. Same on this side. So, another line of spots. Making progress. to weld this little brace back on the back. Well, it's not going anywhere. Do with a little bit more, but that's holding it for now. You know what, I think that'll do. I need to grind this back and then look for pinholes. I think that's the better way around of doing it, because at the moment I'm just packing weld on top of weld, so. Let's get grinding. First of all, I'm going to use a normal grinding disc, just to take the worst of the lumps off, and after that I'll go over it with a flat disc. Try and get it smooth. So, let's go. You know what, I think we're ready for a fine skim of filler. If you kind of look, there are a few little warps in the panel, but very minor. And mainly in this middle bit, you see that little gap there. Luckily it's kind of pulled inwards, so I'm pretty sure we can smooth that out without too much issue. I'd like to say that I could have just spot welded, ground it back, and then it would be smooth enough just to put some high build primer over, but I don't think my welding skills are quite there yet. But needless to say, I think that's fairly solid. And like I say, filler's alright, as long as you use it wisely. And I think this is the right use of filler. So, let's mix them up. Enough hardener? Who knows? 2 parts to 100. How are you meant to judge that? It's beyond me. Check this out. At least I know it's filled all the little pinhole gaps. I think we're ready.